Welcome. Let's talk about the cybersecurity career roadmap. How you can go from 0 to 6 figures in 2025, whether you're completely new to cybersecurity or you've been curious about making a career switch. This video will guide you step by step on what it takes to break into this booming industry and build a high-paying job. First, why cybersecurity? It's one of the fastest growing fields globally. With cyber attacks increasing in scale and complexity, businesses of all sizes need experts to protect their data and systems. According to recent studies, cybersecurity jobs are expected to grow by over 30% in the next few years, and salaries are rising fast. That means there's never been a better time to start. But the field can seem overwhelming, with tons of tools, certifications, and specializations. So where do you start? 2. Building your foundation. Practical advice. Start with the basics, understanding networking fundamentals, operating systems like Windows and Linux, and basic security concepts such as firewalls, encryption, and threat types is critical. You don't need a degree to get started. There are tons of online courses, tutorials, and free resources that will teach you these core skills. As you build your knowledge, practice is key. Set up your own labs, try virtual machines, and explore tools like Wireshark, Metasploit, and Kali Linux. Getting hands-on will prepare you for real-world scenarios. 3. Certifications. Next, think about certifications. These are a great way to prove your skills to employers and open doors. The CompTIA Security Plus is often the first certification beginners pursue. It covers foundational security concepts and is widely recognized. After that, certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or CISSP are valuable as you advance. They show deeper knowledge in areas like penetration, testing, or security management. Keep in mind, certifications alone won't get you hired. Combine them with real experience whenever you can. Section 4. Gaining experience. Real world matters. Experience matters a lot. Look for internships, apprenticeships, or entry-level jobs like a security analyst or IT support role. If you can't find paid opportunities right away, contribute to open-source security projects, participate in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions, or volunteer to help nonprofits improve their security. This experience will build your confidence, sharpen your skills, and make your resume stand out. 5. Specializing. Find your niche. Cybersecurity has many specializations: cloud security, threat intelligence, incident response, forensics, compliance, and more. Explore what interests you most and dive deeper. Cloud security, for example, is exploding as companies move to AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Ethical hacking is another exciting field where you test systems for vulnerabilities to protect against attacks. Keep learning continuously. Cybersecurity evolves every day, so staying updated is crucial. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at tylerist.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tyleris works in real time, just ask for a demo through our contact form. So there you have it, a roadmap to take you from zero experience to a six-figure cybersecurity career in 2025. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication, continuous learning, and the right guidance, you can absolutely make it happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and let's get started on your cybersecurity journey today.